So, hello students. Here, as you know, there is your paper on 20th March of chemistry. Here, we are totally solving and showing you the most important questions of chemistry from the Shanti gas paper. So, as expected that you know the paper pattern and systematic distribution of marks of your paper. So, let's start. So here are some important theory questions from first chapter. Here some important questions, and the most important and most repetitive questions are this: ideal and non-ideal solution, osmosis and diffusion, and then questions from Henry's law, and mm, almost all the questions are important, and they write the significance of Henry's law constant and Rawls law. These are the most important, but every question given here is important. You can take a screenshot and solve them. So now here are some numerical based questions. These all are most important questions. Okay. Now second chapter, electrochemistry. 2 marks, one numerical and one theory, and in 3 marks there is internal choice between one numerical question. So first here are numericals. You can take a screenshot and solve these. I think I am not fast enough that you can take a screenshot. Now from here they are from define corrosion, and these are theory based questions. There must be most important questions like Faraday's law and corrosion, the difference between electrochemical and electrolytic cell. Here are chemical kinetics, total 8 marks. Here are some of the numericals, most important numericals from chemical kinetics. Now here are some theory based questions. So difference between order and molecularity is the most important, and like pseudo chemical reactions is also an important part for theory questions, and the rate of a chemical reaction. Now we are on our fourth chapter, D and F block elements. So it is now all the chapters are of theory, totally theory based. So we have just finished physical chemistry, and now this is inorganic. 2 chapters of inorganic are in our syllabus. So preparation of potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate is the most important question. and the colored questions, color distinguished questions, and some differences like lanthanoids and actinoids are important. And question on transition elements like why cadmium, zinc, and mercury are generally not considered as transition elements. Here, our fifth chapter, coordination compounds. So write the difference between double salts and coordination compound. These are this is the most important question. And what are ambient ligands? From all these, second question, the ambient ligand question is the most important. And isomerism is, I think, linkage isomerism is the most important. Ionization isomerism is also very important. Yes, and the IUPAC name are also very important. So learn as much as possible IUPAC names of these questions given here. And now we are moving to our sixth chapter, which is haloalkanes and haloarenes, and this is our first chapter of organic chemistry. So this chapter is like mostly is in naming reactions, and other one important question is SN1 and SN2 reaction. This is only for I think 1 mark for one word or MCQ, and 5 marks one question with internal choice. But the reactions are most important. Here are about 11 naming reactions. Sorry, okay, yes, not 11 there. And now here you can take a screenshot and solve these all questions like DDT, chloroform, pheromones. You have to tell the uses of these. Too much questions. They are most important questions. Almost all the syllabus is covered in this, but on the aspects of paper you have to complete these. And now this is alcohols, phenols, and ether. And now this is aldehyde, ketones, and carboxylic acid chapter. Now it's organic compounds containing nitrogen. We usually say amines. Yes, Hoffman bromide degradation reaction and that phthalimide synthesis and ammonolysis of Hoffman and diazotization reactions and Meyer Gattermann. These are important reactions, and conversion questions of an amines are most important. And from that, from these biomolecules, the last chapter of a syllabus, there is a 5 mark paragraph and a 2 mark question. These are the paragraphs, and these are the MCQs given. You can take a screenshot and solve these. Hope I am slow. These are the important MCQs and one words and reactions for MCQs. Alphenol. This is a sample paper type. Okay, so that's it. I hope this can help and help you score maximum numbers. All the best. Thank you.